Ciao, sono Anna e questo è My Italian Circle. Puzzled by verb conjugation? Can't wait to make your own sentences but can't figure out how the system works? Finally, what does verb conjugation actually mean? Today we'll take the bull by the horns and nail the basics down. Forza! Prendiamo il toro per le corna. Verb conjugation explained. To conjugate a verb means to change its ending according to person, number, tense and mood. It's easier than you think. Person is a way of classifying verb forms and pronouns. Number differentiates between singular, one, and plural, more than one. Tense indicates when the action of the verb takes place, past, present, or future. The mood gives us information on how the action expressed by the verb should be regarded. For example, the indicative mood expresses a fact, the imperative mood expresses a command. For example, canto, cantiamo. The endings o and iamo provide essential information about the subject. Canto means I sing, and cantiamo means we sing. The action happens in the present tense, indicative mood. The indicative mood is used to express or indicate facts. The present indicative is the tense most commonly used in everyday conversation. Canterò, canteremo. Here, the ending ero tells us that the subject is I and the tense is future simple indicative. The ending eremo corresponds to subject we, future simple indicative. Easy. Italian children have to memorize verb conjugations too. It may seem tricky at first, but with a little practice it will become second nature. I'm sure that the sentence prendiamo il toro per le corna makes a bit more sense now, since you can recognize the ending amo as the mark for the third person plural, we take. Italian verbs are divided into three main conjugations, according to their ending in the infinitive form. The first conjugation ends in are, parlare. The second conjugation ends in ere, correre. The third conjugation ends in ire, dormire. Today, we'll learn the first conjugation, present indicative. To conjugate verbs, drop the infinitive ending to get the stem and add the appropriate ending. O, I, a, iamo, ate, ano. Volare. Io volo, tu voli, lui vola, noi voliamo, voi volate, loro volano. Io canto, tu canti, lui canta, noi cantiamo, voi cantate, loro cantano. Let's see more examples. Io parlo, tu parli, lui parla, noi parliamo, voi parlate, loro parlano. Io mando, tu mandi, lui manda, noi mandiamo, voi mandate, loro mandano. If verbs end in care or gare, the hard sound k or g is preserved by inserting an h before the endings i and iamo. Io cerco, tu cerchi, lei cerca, noi cerchiamo, voi cercate, loro cercano. Io lego, tu leghi, lei lega, noi leghiamo, voi legate, loro legano. to taking. So we'll stop here for today. You can find a PDF with exercises in the description below. Feel free to ask me questions if anything is unclear. To keep learning, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we publish the next lesson. Alla prossima!